Activate the Instagram's privacy. You might not know about the risk that you have if you don't have your Instagram's profile's privacy configured. Maybe you have never heard about private profiles or you don't know if you have a public profile. When you upload a photo in one of your social networks, in this case Instagram, you should know that these photos can be used by any person with any purpose, fair or not, whatever he or she wants. And your photos can end being used in webs or blogs without your approval. How can you activate your Instagram's privacy? First step, access from your mobile to your file. Second step, on the lower right part of the screen, check on your profile. Third step, check on the three dots that are on the higher right part of the screen to access the account's configuration. Fourth step, look for the option which says Private Account. Fifth step, check on it to activate it, and that's all. Now, only the people that have your approval to follow you can see your photos or videos.